Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Previously on X-Men Unboxing, we got a chase. So now, let's see if we're as lucky. Let's go! Okay, so we have here another consolidated package from Buy and Ship, delivered to us this time by SF Express. So it's the first time that SF Express was used for buy and ship in my case. Okay, usually it's what you call this, Flash Express. Okay, well, that might be the meaning of SF, like Super Flash Express. Okay, but I don't know, and I don't want to research about it. But anyway, if you know, you can put in the comments. This particular consolidation package contains three things, if I'm not mistaken. One from eBay, an auction item that I won in eBay. The other one is from Cool Stuff Inc., okay, a purchase. And most of it are from Oxit Brick Break of the X-Men 97 set. I think this is the week number 3 that I joined the Oxit Brick Break. Okay, so let's see how we fared in that one and if all the items are complete. Okay, so I immediately see here protectors. What do we call this? Pop protectors. I don't know, but we have a bunch of those here, and then I put them on the side. Okay, clear out the floor. Okay, and then we have our loot. Okay, from Cool Stuff Inc. We got the Play at Home X-Men 97. Okay, so finally I pulled the trigger for this particular product. Okay, I was still on the fence, but it's the topless gambit that got me. Okay, anyway, so we'll probably have a separate video unboxing of this Play at Home kit, so look out for that. And from Cool Stuff Inc., I should also have here, let me see, where is it? Oh, can't find it. Ooh. Okay, I have here 4 boosters from the brick break that I said. Brick break number 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4 boosters. We'll save that for the end. Okay. There you go. Okay, this is from Cool Stuff Inc. Apocalypse Planet Pack. Okay, so this is for a player here in the Philippines. Okay, so I'm gonna ship this out soon as well. Okay, so we're not gonna unbox this, so let's read it a little. Apocalypse Planet Pack. Behold, a fiery world hounded by vicious flying parademons. In the first ever DC Heroclix Apocalypse Planet Pack, you take the throne of the legendary city planet with limited edition parademon and apocalypse figures. With an army at your command, the universe will be yours to rule. Includes all new tokens and bystander pieces. And it contains parademons times 3, apocalypse times 1, this one. Okay, and the legacy cards, Granny Goodness and Dark Side, okay, the sought after. And bystanders, the Sad, Dr. Bedlam, Glorious Godfrey, Kanto, Kalibak, and Stephen Wolf. Tokens is the Boom Tube markers times 3. Okay, so I do have the Granny Goodness legacy card, legacy figure. Okay, but I don't have the legacy card, obviously. Anyway, that's the Apocalypse Planet Pack. Okay, and then from eBay we got this one, by the way, from Cool Stuff, the One Jame token freebie. Okay, thank you for that. And then this from eBay. I got this from J Major He usually sells or auctions a lot of items, and this one I was fortunate enough to win. Okay, this should contain 2 figures. I got this for around, I think, $30 for the 2 figures, so really a good deal. You just need patience on timed auctions because especially for eBay, because it can get easily sniped. But this one I was lucky to, as I said, win it, and it is, doesn't open. Okay. Okay, so you can see the packaging is all good. There you go. We have the Storm from X-Men 97, and where's the Storm? There you go. Super Rare Storm X-Men 97. Okay, but the main event is the Ultra Chase Peggy Carter. Okay, so I've always wanted this because she has the Exile keyword, and I'm also collecting the Exile because it's X-Men adjacent. So yeah, there's some more bubble wrap and boxes. Okay, so let's take a look at the card. We have here Storm Super Rare. Okay, we're trying to collect all the pieces from the set. And Ultra Chase Peggy Carter. Okay, let me see if it's side by side. Okay, so the picture is too big. Okay, the figure is small. Okay, but for an Ultra Chase and getting it from for that price, really a great deal. For all we know, she might get a legacy in the future. Okay. Anyway, so we also have here a bunch of other things, and I think these are bounties. Okay, because I think for the week number 3 brick break, we were able to pull the bounty figure. Okay, so let's see. So this is the X-Men 97 pack. Okay, so we have here Jean Grey, Prime Sentinel. We have Dino Pink, Cyclops, and Abscissa. Okay, so this is our second Abscissa. So she's going to be for trade or sell. Okay, we're keeping the generics, Dynaman and Prime Sentinel. Okay. Pulling a super rare is always a good thing. So kudos to us. But Abscissa was not the bounty for that week. Okay, we have here, oops, Magneto, Executioner Rare, another Prime Sentinel, Cyclops Super Rare, and a Dino Man Orange. Okay, so another Super Rare. It's my second Cyclops, but a good friend of mine, Larry, likes to collect Cyclops, so I'll probably trade that to him. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the Prime Sentinel and Dynaman. Executioner, I still don't have him, so I'll probably keep him for my own collection. Okay, booster number 3, but Cyclops is still not the bounty for that week. We have Jubilee, we have Sentinel Technician, we have Bubble Wrap, we have Madeline Pryor, and we have Emma Frost, and we have the Marvel Girl, a Phoenix rather, rare. Okay, so again, 3 out of 3 we pulled a super rare for that week. Okay, we're gonna keep Emma Frost, we don't have her yet. And Sentinel Technician is a generic. Phoenix, I think we already have this, so this is gonna be for trade or sell. Okay, I think Emma Frost was the bounty for that week, so thank you very much, Emma Frost, for being in one of my boosters, and that means winning the bounty. We have another Prime Sentinel for the 4th booster. We have more. We have Sentinel Technician, another Orange Dinosaur, and a super rare Professor X. So we got 4 out of 4 super rare for that particular week. And so that's really a good pull, but where's the cards? And to me, my X-Men, Professor X. Let's see if it stands. It does. Okay. So, so we got the bounty, and let's see what we got for the bounty. Okay, it's all here. So I'm gonna put it one at a time. Okay. Oh, there's the cards. The cards for the last pack. Okay, Cyclops, Professor X, Morph, Sentinel Technician, Dynamo Orange, and Prime Sentinel. Okay, the bounty figures are... We have the Black King LE. Okay, I already have this, of course. We have papers. Then we have this one, Impulse LE. Okay, we already have that also. Okay, we have more popcorns. Then we have papers again. Then we have another one. Bounty is, what's this? Heatwave. Okay, I don't have this. Good. That might be legacy in the Batman set for next year. Okay, so this one we have this. Bounty. Ooh, we have the super rare Magneto from Black Panther. This is still modern, but we already have that, so that's probably gonna be for trade. We have the LE Deadpool. Okay, obviously we have that. We have, what's this? Aquaman. Okay, the trident at the back from Superman set, I guess. Okay, interesting. I might keep this because of the effect. Okay, we have Sinister LE from XXS. Okay, already have that. Magneto from X-Men Animated, already have that. And this one, also have it. It's a Prime Magneto White. Good, good, good. And let's see if the cards are here. Okay, these are the alternate cards. Yes. Because when you join the auction, they give you also win the alternate cards on top of the boosters. Of the brick rather. So I pulled 2 alternate cards here. And let's see what we have. Piranatam. Okay. So I wonder where that is. We have 8 of Pentacles. We have 7 of Pentacles. Tarot card. Mr. Miracle and Oberon. Where's the figure? The Leader Legacy card. I already have this. So this would probably be like for pricing. Champion card. Okay. With the Magneto here. The Magneto as well. Ooh, Universal Weapon, super rare. With the Ronan the Accuser. Okay, that's a good piece. Aquaman. We have Rune. Namor. Okay, we put it here for now. We have Ant-Man. Okay. We have Deadpool. Queen of Fables. I think this was Legacy. Okay, but it's already rotated. Mr. Sinister. We have the Pit Trap. Oh, and must break away in order to move. Oh, interesting. And we have Glick. Okay, Glick is Perseverance, Super Friends. Glick. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the box if there's some more. And there is. Our other one is Forge LE and Captain Cold LE. Okay, good. We already have that Forge, that Captain Cold we don't have. And the final things here are the figures. Let's just check that everything is in order. We have Champion. Okay, where's the Champion card? There. Oh, sorry. We have the Ronan. We have Glick the monkey. Okay, 75th anniversary. Then we have the Universal Weapon. The Ronan. Let's see. Ooh, we have the Queen of Fables. Okay. I'm pretty sure this was Legacy. We have Ronan, the Accuser here. Okay. I don't have this figure, but I do have the Legacy, the Universal Weapon. We have Rune. We have Mistress, Miracle Man, and Oberon. Okay, that's nice. A dual fig. And we have Ant-Man. Okay. So what we don't have are the terrains. Okay. So the terrain seems to have been lost. Okay, and that happens because again I'm shipping it from the US to here in the Philippines. So I'll double check everything just to be sure it's not, it might have been inserted somewhere, but they seem to be lost. It's okay. I'll probably message Howard. The piranha tank and the pit trap are missing. Okay, let me see. Okay, anyway, so let's go ahead and open the alternate card. So we need Jubilee, we need Beast, and Storm. Okay, and also Gambit. So we have 2 chances. Let's see if we're able to pull them. Okay, the first one we have is what's this? Morph. Okay, we already have Morph, but he can be a trade piece. And then the other alternate card we have is, come on, give me one of the things I want. I need. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Jubilee! Yay! So I got Jubilee that gives extra life tokens. This is definitely for keeps. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for staying up until the end of the video. And good hauls. Bye bye.